In this video, we will see how we can handle exception in Java, and the same exception we will see how it can be handled using the Lombok library. So exception handling is one of the main aspects in Java programming. On a very high level, the exception are of two types, which is one is checked exceptions and another is unchecked exception. So you guys know that checked exception are those exception which is reported by the compiler at the compile time, and we need to provide throws or a try catch at that time to handle the exception. But this is not the case with the unchecked exception. Unchecked exception is reported by the JVM at the runtime. At compile time, it is not necessary to provide try catch or throws for the unchecked exception. However, best approach is to always provide exception handling regardless it is checked or unchecked. So here are some of the ways in which we have handled exceptions. Like here I am throwing one checked exception and I'm handling it using throws keyword. Then I am using try catch keyword, try catch blocks for handling this exception. And this is like unchecked exception, so I'm not using anything. So this is like before Lombok, how we used to do this. And Lombok provide an annotation which is sneaky throws, which help you to reduce your boilerplate code for handling the exception. So it will help you, that annotation will help you to remove that throws keywords and the try catch exception handling blocks using that annotation. So quickly let's see that annotation and how it will work. So this is the annotation which is provided by Lombok sneaky throws. So you have to use it at that method level. So here you can see that in this method we have one checked exception, and we are not doing any throws or try catch exception handling here. Instead of that, we are using sneaky throws, which will generate the uh, try catch for this at the compile time. Okay, and if you want to use the multiple classes of exception in the sneaky throw, so this is the way and you can handle that. Like we are throwing two exceptions, and both the exceptions we can mark here. And I will show you how the code will be generated at the compile time for the class. So I open the decompiled version. So look at this. So by providing the sneaky throws at the method level, what it will do, the generated class will be look like this one. So it will generate a try catch for you. So you are not doing it manually, but it is generating for you. And same is the case with the other method in which we have provided two exception classes with the sneaky throws. So it is generated two tries and two catches with that. So that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel.